Take a ride in the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires, 6-speed automatic transmission. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.